racing against each other again. So if you don't remember.
I will handle this, Riley. Thank you. For those of you that saw the last video, you know that I was robbed. I made a dead frog slime and also kind of a snot slime that was really, really cool.
I won.
We had some corrupt judging, and today I look to, I would say reclaim my title, but since I didn't technically have it, I'm going to establish my dominance.
I'm going to
today.
reclaim my title.
Hers
Yeah.
was better. Hers
Okay.
was good. Yours was
And
better.
it will be better again.
That's enough out of the peanut gallery. So, okay. We are excited to be here. I'm excited to finally show you guys what I'm about. I have a little bit of a different strategy today. As far as what I'm working with, this is a little different. Believe it or not, I'm going with pink glitter glue. Now, why, you ask, would I go with pink glitter?
He looks great in pink.
Because I think it's going to look really good with yellow clay, and I don't know why, but I just had a hunch that I need to mix these two together. I might add some pink as well. And
You
then
have to add pink.
You got it.
Whatever you have, you have to add.
I will add it all, and then I have some glitter, a whole different thing of glitter that I decide if I want to use which ones, and gold glitter, and then some pink slime coloring. So we'll see how this works out. I hope I don't have too much pink going on here. I'm gonna make sure that my texture's good with a little bit of shaving cream. Last time I got ridiculed for mine pulling apart. Hopefully I can avoid that today.
All right, Slime Squad, what I have is activator to start since somebody didn't grab that. But you know what, I'll share because I'm a loving wife and I still think I'll win. I have shaving cream, lotion, because when you add shaving cream, sometimes your slime gets really rippy and you need lotion. In case you need that, I have that too. I'm gonna do a smoothie, so I'm gonna do neon pink and neon purple because they're very summery. And then I have a pink and purple dolphin charm that I'm going to add on top.
That's a charm.
Yep, and then I have some pink and blue and silver glitter for the top of mine.
Let's get this party started.
Woo woo!
All right.
Judge.
So I'm going to be mixing in 2 bowls because I don't want them to mix yet.
I don't overcomplicate things. Sometimes less is more. I'm just going to keep it simple and smooth.
A repeat of last time. Do you guys remember him saying that then too?
This looks really cool. I like this glue with the glitter in it. I hope it's not too much by itself. But look at that. Look how cool that looks. Oh, that looks really
Look at this purple. It's clear, first off, and it's neon. Doesn't get much better than that, in my opinion.
I want to take as much glue out of here as I can because I want to have a lot of slime. Last time I had a little bit of an issue because I had a half of a bottle. This thing's coming out much, much easier.
With the tissue.
Almost there.
Just almost.
Ooh, look at this neon pink. Is that not like such a summery color? I'm excited.
Almost as summery as mine. Okay.
I don't know if I'd call that summery.
That's pretty dull.
Hey, corrupt judge, I don't think you get to vote. I think we may have to go with a solo judge on this one.
Sorry.
They both get a vote. And I believe they both voted for me last time.
Yeah, but Keegan was fair and honest, and you know
So
what?
bad.
Riley, minus 2 points for him talking smack already?
Yeah, you get a minus one.
All right, so I might add a little bit of this now. I was gonna wait. I don't want to wait.
He's impatient.
I don't know how. Oh, there it goes.
Look at you figured out how to open it without spilling it everywhere.
And snapping it. And breaking it.
How cool is that? Whoa.
Whoa!
Okay. So you said I could use some of your activator.
Yeah,
correct?
because I'm a loving wife.
Yes, you are.
I know.
I know I am. Thank you.
1 point for me. Quit looking at your competition over here.
I don't have any competition.
Somebody's jelly.
All right.
I'm gonna add shaving cream to just my purple.
I think
Not my pink.
I think I may have added too much activator to mine, but we'll find out.
Doesn't he typically do that, Riley?
Yeah, you always add too much activator.
This
I
looks,
think I was supposed to add the shaving
this
cream
looks
before
very,
the
very
activator.
cool. I'm gonna add just a slight bit of this so I can be done with it because honestly, team, I don't think this is gonna look great. It looks okay, but I don't want a bunch of gold in here. We don't need a bunch of
Did you
gold.
forget about your shaving cream?
No, I did not.
I think I got a little carried away with my shaving cream.
Alright, so that's starting to come together. I'm gonna wait to add the shaving cream. This is still really goopy.
I wish I would have grabbed purple food coloring so this could be really purpley.
Whoa. Had an accident.
Wouldn't be the first.
Oh! We have problems over here.
That's what you call an accident.
Look at that. That looks like some cotton candy.
Oh yeah, this looks like cotton candy actually. Look at this.
That looks like melted ice cream.
This is gonna, the shaving cream is really gonna lighten this up. Who's a copycat?
You are your
I picked out my, hey, just so everybody knows, I picked out my ingredients first.
I'm gonna take my ring off because glue gets stuck under that and it itches my finger forever.
Forever. She didn't say for a little bit, she said forever.
Forever.
Mom, it looks like you're like making a cake. Or like mixing something.
Look at this,
Quite
guys.
the
This is
baker.
pretty cool, but I will say the one thing I'm sad about, the shaving cream took out a lot of the glitter and sparkle that we had in here. It looked really cool, and now I'm sad.
Dad, we have some yellow clay ready for you.
Yeah, you know what? Let's have,
Keegan, are you playing favoritism
let's
again?
let's have some of that yellow clay.
Here, you can start.
Oh,
Mix
Dad,
that in.
look
Here,
what you did
someone
to
help me
Dad.
quick. Ah! Clay, please.
Here.
Oh,
Oh,
that's why I said
strange danger.
clay.
Look at this
please, clay,
beautiful,
Dad,
soft,
you want more?
please. No,
purple
not
cloud.
quite yet.
Let me see some.
Still mixing this
Oh,
in.
it's so soft.
You want
A
some
little
here?
sticky.
I'll open these for you so you can just grab
The
them.
clay is really helping.
I just got
Make this
activator
form.
all over myself.
And look how much the clay changes the color. It went from pink to straight yellow, which I guess makes sense. I guess I'm doing a yellow one today.
Do you want a pink? I told you. Here, this will change
Yeah, I'll
to pink
take.
again.
You know what?
This will
I'm
change-
kind of feeling this though. It's kind of an Easter vibe.
vibe.
And actually, there's too much clay because now the clay is going to make this very pulley-aparty.
fully
which is-
apart.
Which is what lotion's good for.
Yeah.
No, shaving cream. Assistant, can I get some shaving cream, please?
Who thinks? Comment below if you think lotion is better for Rippy slime or if you would add shaving
Look how
cream.
cool this looks so
Shaving
far.
cream is like activator. It makes it more rippy.
Really?
Yeah, it's activator. You can technically activate your slime with shaving. So lotion's
Look
there.
at this beautiful
Candy
purple.
now.
And how stretchy it is.
You just add glue and all. Dad, do you want some shaving
I don't know why you want to go against me. I mean,
I'm gonna beat you.
I am the slime sibling,
This
like,
actually looks really cool, guys. Look.
momager.
It's got undertones of pink with a yellow.
Dad,
You
do want
gotta.
some shaving?
Hey,
No, thank you.
why are you cheating?
Look at this,
Get
guys.
lost.
Look at the colors. Can you see the colors? Hopefully.
Yeah, that's fun.
Look at this, guys. Look at this
Yeah.
cloud.
I have more clay for you.
No more clay. Clay's gonna make it pulley. It's already kind of pulley.
Do
Oh,
you want to mix the clay?
okay. I'm gonna work on my pink now. My purple will sit there, and I don't want to put that spoon in and mess it up.
Don't use the clay. It changes the color.
No, no more clay.
Wait, Dad, you have food dye.
Woo! What?
Food dye. Food dye.
Oh yeah, but I'm gonna use some more glue first. We need this.
Is it just me, or are my kids playing favoritism?
No, I
No.
like the color better.
Awkward.
You just got silent up in here.
Look at that neon. Whoop.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
look at
what
it
I
fall.
like.
I've been wanting to do a pink neon because we don't ever do pink slime.
I do all the time. Do
Really?
You know? Do you know?
Show me some.
Okay, I'll bring in 5.
Okay.
If you have 5.
Yeah, I want to see 5
All
that
right,
you made.
I'm mixing some more glue up in here. I'm hoping this will help.
I make pink slimes quite a while. No.
Quite a while.
I mean, quite.
Quite often.
Sorry.
He's out of school, folks. It's official summer.
Not cool.
Just remember this when you're judging, dude. Do you hear how she's talking to you? I would never say that to you.
Who feeds you?
I would never say that to you, dude.
Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Just saying.
Too late.
Ah! Okay, I'll remember that.
All right. Whoa. We got some glue.
What do you have going on over there?
Really cool slime.
Are you done with this?
Better listen, Dad.
Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Listen. Listen to that. This is what I'm talking about. It's a little sticky, though. I ain't gonna lie. Holy smokes. That
Oh, so you have 2, but you had at least 5 because you do it all the time?
Yeah, I do.
Well, she does have pinks. Woo! Woo!
Dad, mix it in.
I am. Ooh.
You know you're gonna die in anything.
You know you're supposed to like fold it in?
Oh, yeah. I'm rubbing it in. Let's get it.
Your hand already to rub it in.
Inappropriate. Look at that pink slime.
Wow. Look
Wow.
at team. Look at that. You know what it reminds me of? Like that cheese you buy at the store you eat with wheat thins, like the port wine cheese. Look at that.
It looks like Cheetos.
It looks exactly like that. That's funny.
This is my port wine cheese slime.
Awkward. I
So,
need lotion for this because it's a little rippy, but I don't want the color to change.
look it up.
You didn't get it.
Tell me something nice.
You're beautiful and sweet. I need more than that.
More compliments equals more lotion.
True that, Riley. True that.
Whoa.
What?
That looks cool. Can I get some more lotion, please?
One more compliment that equals.
Yeah, another compliment, sir.
You're a great cook,
Oh, thank you.
but you are not the best at making slime.
Oh, then that's a minus lotion. You don't get any more lotion.
That's all I need right there. Got
Look
what
at
I
this
needed.
Purple rain.
I
Or
want to
pink.
feel the purple one.
I swear, my slime has gone through so many transformations, and now it's back to one color.
Why don't you sit down? Your head, I'm sure,
It's
is
got
cut off.
an orange color now.
Sit down.
Hold on. I'm gonna take
Out
some more
of
of this
control,
red.
slime squad.
Take some more of this red, mix it in.
Look at this pink. Is this not the coolest pink you've ever seen?
I don't know about you guys, but I'm just about ready for
Do you like this pink?
presentation time.
I like the purple.
I think my slime's as good as it's gonna get.
Dad, change the color, put more clay.
Why don't you not keep helping him, cheater,
It's good,
pumpkin
Peach.
eater?
Why doesn't he add all the ingredients?
Yeah, that
I
is
did.
the
I'm
rule.
gonna, when I decorate, that's what I'm doing. The only thing I haven't added is this.
Yeah.
And the pink clay.
I added pink clay.
Yeah. You gotta add everything.
I've added everything. And look
You
at this
got one clay.
cool
You got two
orange
clay.
Look at
summertime
this.
orange. I call this
Wow.
orange sherbet.
Sherbet. Sherbet.
Now,
I thought you were going for a pink theme.
no, I was just saying that.
How convenient.
How convenient that
Look
is.
at this stretchy purple, you guys. It is seriously feels as good as it looks.
Okay, you guys ready for a presentation?
What were you gonna say, sir?
Nothing.
You gonna say something inappropriate?
I was gonna say something else.
Like what?
Say it. Now you've got all of Slime Squad wondering.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's right.
I call this masterpiece.
Are we
Orange
already getting ready?
Chevelle.
Or per piece of carrot.
Okay, wait. I have to get ready for mine too.
Piece of carrot. That's a piece of
Riley, look at he did a pumpkin part 2. We're not doing a fall video.
Oh yeah, you remember my pumpkin, guys? That totally failed. We all, I think, never won though, unfortunately.
Yeah.
In the fall video, I'm not talking about this. Okay, I think I know whose presentation is better.
I think so too.
I think I know.
I agree.
You're just making me
You do
blush.
agree? I can't believe you said you agree.
Slime
Let me
Squad,
put
the
that
odds
little
are
beauty.
stacked against me. I need you guys at home to be honest. No matter how this goes today, vote down below on whose was actually better.
All right, Slime Squad, we're gonna show you Mom's.
Oh, I love fluffy slime, but it's really sticky.
Oh, it's sticky. Yuck.
But I don't care.
Keegan, check that smear.
Caca. Yucky.
It's nice. I like it.
Okay, let's be honest. It's a little sticky.
It's fluffy.
You check the smear, Keegan.
Hold on.
Riley, we're still on
Hey,
Moms.
Riley, wait, we gotta get a video of that so people can see mine.
I know, but I like it. The glitter sticks to me though.
So what do you guys think of Moms?
I like it.
Okay.
All right, now on to Dad's.
Riley, let's get the presentation. Get right in there and show them what it looks like.
I see. It looks like a pumpkin.
Orange is my favorite color.
No poke.
Yes, there's poke. You gotta. It's really
Look at that
flat.
glitter.
Oh, it's a butter slime.
Yeah, it's a butter slime.
Oh, what were you saying? But the glitter sticks to me, and I really don't like it.
Riley, it's for the
Riley, that's what
presentation.
glitter is supposed to do.
Keegan, go check that one out.
Okay. I think I know how I have my vote.
Me too.
Okay, let's go over. We're gonna talk to you.
They're
guys.
gonna go over and deliberate right now. Talk to Slime Squad.
So I honestly like the pink and purple one, but it was a little sticky. I really like the orange one because it's so stretchy. But the purple and pink one was the better. It had better presentation. It was just too sticky.
Ugh,
But
gross.
okay, but the orange one's presentation is bad. I like the texture. I love fluffy slime, so I got the pink and purple. I vote for the orange one. I'm just gonna go for orange. I'm gonna go for pink. Okay, so our votes are in. Me and him didn't have the same idea of foods we liked, but we had a different opinion, and I liked this one.
I will tell you guys, I touched hers. My hands are sticky and
No,
covered in
I
slime.
picked this one. But this one.
Well, it looks like it's up to
Here,
you,
hold
Slime
on,
Squad.
hold on. Let me feel both and see which are. So,
Good luck.
stickiness.
Yup. Yup. Yup.
Okay, stretch.
Let me add a little activator.
Hey!
Oh!
Cheater!
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 Haters.
OMG!
Disqualified!
Disqualified! Weighing in at 5'11" and too many pounds, it's Daddy! With the win!
Actually, Riley picked mine.
Disqualification! Disqualified! Thank you for tuning in, guys, to another exciting edition of Slime Squad.
You
Hopefully you
did
guys
not
agree
win.
that I won this. I think you will. If you just look at the overall quality of the slime, mine is very, very, very
Okay.
high in quality.
I have something to say.
My wife's is very cool. I'm not gonna lie, it feels
Like,
cool,
look at
it's
that.
fluffy, but it's too sticky.
Like, Riley, you can, like,
I
Riley, you can rip it like you usually do. Like, see?
Riley. Rippy. So this one,
Vote down below, guys. We're gonna count this based on what you vote down below. Whatever the comments say is who the winner actually
Yeah,
is.
because we each have a judge that voted for ours.
But thank you guys. Go ahead.
So she's not disqualified because she added it after we voted who we liked. So she can't be disqualified because I already voted that I liked her. She already voted that he liked her.
Yeah, what Riley
So
said.
you can't change it. So you can't disqualify her if we already voted.
Anyways, back to what I said before, guys. Just vote down below. We clearly have a cheater on our hands, so vote down below and let us know who won. Thank you.
Bye, Slime